For me, it was the first time I ever had a passport. The first time I'd ever been abroad. I actually had to get the passport to go to Kosovo, and PKL paid for that, sent me to get my passport on the day, and that was the first time I'd actually been on a plane. We was treated royally by the locals, so they were very, very happy to see you all the time. So it was a nice place to be.
We supplied about 200 or 300 fully containerised units to feed 5,000 people. They were designed and built into the UK. Now that was a challenging project. The design and specifications were very exacting. We had 2 previous projects in terms of lessons learned. They were highly engineered and they were manufactured in a very short time scale at PKL.
And there's a lot of units called the names of the camps, and they're still here. So every now and again you walk past them and it's like, oh, I remember that.